back to the channel. So today we are going to discuss that how you can draw geometrical shapes online. So let's get started. So go to your web browser and search for construction tools Maxpad as you're able to see and hit on enter. After that you are able to see the first link. Click on this and you will enter this page. After that what you're going to do is that first click on this. If you are new to this website, you can just check how it works. After that you can select the thickness and the thinness. This is the maximum and this is the thinnest. So I am choosing the middle one, and these are the pencil colors which you can choose. This is the line segment. As you're able to see, you can draw any line here. So for clearing it, just click on this button. It will clear all of them. For unchoosing it, just click on this and it will be normal. This is the pencil from which you can just put points, draw lines, and whatever you can do. Let's clear this. And now comes the compass. So I think this is the main part of this website. So for doing that, I'll just choose a line segment. Let's draw it. After that, unselect it and choose a pencil. Let's mark A here and let it be B. After that, choose a pencil, and I'm taking the compass now. So just drag your compass to the point where you need to mark. After that, take the required measurement or the radius. After that, you can just lock it. So now it can't move anymore. So for making the pencil draw, you are able to see that this changes the icon. Just click on it and rotate your pencil. As you're able to see, I have drawn two circles, and you can just draw some arcs like this arc you can say, and let's say this arc now. So this is how you can draw. Now let's clear this. Now talking about the protractor. So as you're able to see that you are able to see some numbers here. You can hide them by clicking on this and show them by clicking on the numbers button. And this is the protractor size. This is the most minimum size and this is the maximum size. I think it is too big. Okay, so let's move to the next one. This is the ruler. So as you're able to see the centimeter and the millimeters here, you can just tilt it down, tilt it up by clicking on this arrow here. And this is the undo button. Like let's say that I have drawn something like this, and you can just undo it by doing like this instead of doing clear. So that much for today's video. We'll meet in the next video with a new topic. Thanks for watching.